Hello, this is a very brief overview of a QA process I have created in my dev org here. It's partially automated. So we're looking at a quality assurance dashboard, and this relates to several custom objects and a standard tasks object. So we're tracking tasks based on failed tests related to the quality assurance records, tracking the record durations, any bugs found, that's not good. Tracking the status of the tests. Looks like we've got a lot of failed tests happening. The QA workload and the status of any error logs. All right, so let's take a look at the error logs first. This is a custom object I created to handle faults. So I'm using several flows in this process, and I'm handling my faults by creating records, and those will show up as error logs, and they will look like this. I'm also creating projects. When a project is moved to QA, a flow will automatically create a related quality assurance record. Those will look like this. The QA team will be the owner of the QA record, and they will begin creating tests depending upon what needs to be done for the project. All right, so all of this information in the top section will be pre-populated via flow, and the system information in the bottom section is populated with formulas and declarative rollups. So the total tests here, these are declarative rollups. The other fields are formulas. And we're showing the days remaining when the QA record is in progress. If it's complete, we want to show complete. And if it's overdue but still active, we're going to show overdue. All right, moving along to tests. There could be one or many tests related to a QA record, which is related to a specific project. So the user will come and fill in this top information here, which I've filled in automatically just to speed things along. They will then put the status of the test to in progress, which is going to fill in a start time down here. A flow does that. So there's the start time. When they're finished with the test, they're going to pass or fail the test, and they will add their notes in here. I've already added in a couple of notes, and I'm going to fail this test. All right, so the flow has populated the information down here in the bottom section and has already created a time entry automatically. So I have a flow that creates time records. The users don't have to do that. And I talk about that in another video. So if you'd like to see more about that, I'll post that at the end of this video. All right, one more thing to note. When a test fails, a task will be created based on that failed test with the comments from the QA engineer. And that will go to the owner of the project, and they will have to take care of whatever needs to be done. And then mark the task as completed. When the owner does that, a new test will be created with the initial information pre-populated so that the QA engineer can just come, put it in progress, and redo the test. So here we got no times or any information down here. All right, and then here's a brief look at the flows I am using in this whole process. So I have flows on test, one on time, project, and quality assurance. So if you have any specific questions, let me know. Or if you'd like to see more of a specific automation other than the time automation, let me know about that in the comments. Otherwise, let me know what you think, especially if you're a QA engineer. And thank you for watching.